only one tumbler, you don't finish your wife. No take more than one, no. Contact me later.
Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
2 seconds later.
Look at this idiot. I think that you come back, say you get sense. You don't feel do anything as a man.
Jesus.
What's up, my people on a date? It's OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. Guys, please make sure to watch this video to the very end because it's packed with fun-filled comedies, you understand? So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, this is the perfect opportunity to do that. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Drop nice comments, guys. Share this video. It's very, very important. So don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Since 21, them dance my Taoma. I never stop giving my
Chief, this man came to visit me in my house without telling me. Hope I'm safe.
You are safe, eh? Mommy, I've been seeing on your WhatsApp that you have been posting that you need the sugar daddy to spoil you this Christmas. Sash no more. That's why I'm here.
Hey, shut down.
Me, I'm surprised, though. You know you didn't have my time before.
I'm sorry. My wife came back from the village with my child, so I've been busy. But don't worry, I'll make it up to you.
Who the Zuzu?
Take everything.
Chief, how much is this?
Let's start with this one. That's 10,000 naira.
Take.
Why are you giving me money?
That is your 10,000 naira. I added my own. Use it and buy knockouts for your children. It's like you're never ready to become sugar daddy. Nonsense.
How let the money they go now? You get money now. You still
It's not your birthday now. It's not Jesus' birthday.
How let money they go?
You the wine.
Greet your bros. I greet you. I greet you, bros.
Yeah. I'm a baby female now.
He's still in.
Let me crocodile be that. Come here, be that. I'm gonna be that too. Why antelope they come this place?
Nine. She might use this money to buy the flipping for them to come from. Now you go to. I'm flipping a car now. Let's have it. No, na collect na. They do come now. See, this squad they come. I agree to them. No deal on the sense. I'm here.
God have mercy upon us.
Talkless, who dash you bike?
Hello?
Hey, I don't do that, so it's like I go collect the order.
You don't say
Who, please? I don't send anybody for us. I let me call them, maybe bring the order. Come, I beg.
oh yeah, now I will call them and give you like this.
When I go in, I go hard, I go crazy, I go mad.
Let's watch this video.
Now the other did this.
Waiting be this.
Blessing and wrong place I do.
Where you dey go?
I know best. I don't know say na your strength with this. No best.
Now the other way you want carry be this.
What you talk?
Now the other way you want carry be this.
Are you mad?
Make I call person wey say me come here first.
Let him know. If he chop this, make you no follow woman talk for 7 days.
This is plain. Hello?
Hello, bros. Hello, bros. You dey hear me? Hey, I beg. I want ask one small question. Person wey say I come collect order for your hand. I beg. Wetin dey do for a living?
Oh, now my spiritual father be that. Anything when he give you.
Why you not tell me, bros? Why you not tell me these things?
I beg now, my guy. Just help me bring am for me.
Bros, make I tell you. Don't think consign this one shadow with wetin belong to Caesar. Now you go come carry your thing by yourself. Come give Caesar by yourself. Aje.
Caesar play.
Where you dey go? You no carry am again.
Are you?
Bros, if you give me that thing, Aje, I go shop am.
How you go carry that kind of something go to dispatch right now? Never ready now.
Village people, see your vision here. See your vision here. Whether in country, whether anywhere where they come from, see your vision here. Ah, bros, good afternoon.
Sabinus, you want to see your vision?
Daddy, respect.
What thing did they do?
This guy in the see vision for people. Anything they worry, whether from village or anywhere, they go see here life and direct.
You mean I tell you now.
Just with small money, put that.
And now waiting person need you. You know good say person go December now. You know they see waiting they worry you. Make you know people go kill you for village.
You want to see vision?
Yes.
Abracadabra. Santas. Vision. Vision. Vision.
Yes, master. Yeah. They call you. Huh? They call you.
See vision.
No, I say vision like who they worry me for life.
Hey!
I'm a respected. You get a name like Vision.
You say you want to make me see vision. Who be this person?
Okay, what did they shout now? Calm down. What they shout? Okay. Make I ask you one question.
Ask me.
Did they see this guy?
Yes, of course.
Let me see the see vision now.
He said, hold up.
Did they see vision?
Bros, please, what's your name?
Vision.
Hey. Officer, come. Good. I respect the law, unless it would have been violent by now.
Vision. Oh, man, I have this. Vision to see the hard do.
Photo.
Bros, what's the problem?
No problem. Now they're together, no worry.
Okay, they know your problem before you call police, so may no get enter problem.
Corruption in this country is starting from the masses. Government need to look down.
To the masses.
People done the wicked for this country. Wait. No problem now.
You want to see vision, now they show you vision. You want to see vision, they show you. In name like vision. So, they don't do you anything. Just to slap person and
Jesus.
Come back here. My blood is not flowing, nigga.
I actually did this as a kid.
Gladiator you are.
I do and well.
With your bearded sword.
My blood.
You slitted throat of an anonymous complaint.
Big. God up. Hey, you see they go back.
Now where you go, no wish.
Don't forget I'll be your elder.
This guy don't get sense.
Pio.
What?
Why don't come?
What's up? You need to turn, but what up?
Say no let your papa fall.
What be this?
Look at where. Oh yeah, go tie this far from backyard.
So where?
Go let this phone now. Not be man you be.
Look at where. I said go tie this far from backyard.
Phone where you just hold from the lap or make you hold out from the winds.
Now far you the household. Far why watch up for Christmas. Now you not feel well again.
God forbid.
Oh yeah, you sure how to hold on.
Go let this phone now. Go let this phone now. Not be man you be.
You two the fear foul.
This may go tie on now.
Hello, Nelly.
Oh yeah, go tie this far from backyard one.
Carry the foul too.
Go tie two. Go tie three. Now human people something oh. First on. You the fear foul. You the fear foul. Okay.
Dissolve!
But they tell me say you they bite.
He with fire inside the same cage.
Just no bites me, I beg. I get soft skin.
Run, no.
Small boy with a big man sense. You know like me, they give and stress. Kiriku no they take nonsense, yo.
I beg, small boy, come. I beg. You see any girl, she shot where? She run past you. You see any girl like that?
No.
You not see any girl like that? Talk now, help me. I don't think you see him.
Hey, so if I'm at tell you where you should go, you need to pay me money.
You tell me how much?
30K.
Make I give you 30K. What do you want you 30K do? Come now. Why you they get hot temper?
No, say December don't come. You need to buy my Christmas clothes, that Christmas shoe. I don't care because chatting with anybody.
Oh yeah, don't do enter car, enter motor.
Outside the also.
Enter motor.
Find out something now. You say may enter motor. No, we may just show you. Go point to the place give you now. Because
Small for body, Kiriku, big wala, Kiriku, innocent face, Kiriku, hot na big trouble, Kiriku.
Why are you running?
I'm not running, no. I mean, run. I've been going to buy bottled water for that place.
What you can buy water? You see, I should go get you water. Why you run like this? Where's my phone and my card?
It's there. I just prank you.
No, stop it.
You there?
Stop it. Don't do that next time again. Don't do that. That's too expensive.
Yeah.
I better to move the go hotel back.
Boss, Roger me.
My Roger, you know you're saying a prank? A prank now? Why you do like that?
You not pay my money again.
So where you for carrying me from that place to this place that might pay you? My friend, Roger, come on, go home. Go meet your mama.
You see me?
Why you do like that?
Okay, oh.
You see stuff for you. Go home. Oh, enter motor now.
you want cheap to die.
Help me hold my piece of paper.
Okay.
Let's go this.
You don't really get sense.
Some few minutes. Let's go this.
Small boy. I beg, how they say they start this car?
Major break.
Yes.
I press that button.
You go carry
Thank you.
Hold on.
Small boy with a big man sense. You know like me they give and stress. Kiriku no they take nonsense.
This guy don't get sense. You don't really get sense. Just to go and urinate, you say me person help you.
Small boy. You know where I fit see bike? Eh? I beg, you know where I fit see bike?
I bet shift.
Jesus. You don't get sense. Nah, really foolish guy. You don't get sense. One sense you don't get. If I see you for road, I will too break you.
Look at this ego. When you be faster, you see the wrong. Why can I boss? It was you, so you go come meet me for this house. Egos.
This girl, she did too aggressive.
Madam, rise up and walk. Oh, Papa. Which way they run like person where they find the pursue now?
Oh no, my wife. My wife need to allow me drink water, keep cup for us again.
Your wife? What do you do, your wife?
Because of that, they feel much energy for bed.
Your own better now. Me, my wife need agree make her come off for house because of the way they give her back to back, and she know I might carry the same energy. Go give another woman.
Which kind of sense talk with that one now? Oh, this with the visa to woman. Number 2 minutes, man, they call you.
Now that way we dey for school, no be now again. You don't get the new updates.
Which update?
Advert. Advert, I know.
Now she gonna beg you. Flash my back. Only one tumbler. You don't feed your wife. No take more than one. No,
you go take more than one. Just one.
Jesus.
You go take more than one.
Blood of Jesus.
There's only one. You go drink the whole thing. Orlu Papa, to get sense,
2 seconds later.
Look at this idiot. I just have to come back say you get sense. You don't fit do anything as a man.
Jesus. So for all this thing, this woman still with me.
If you say you get sense, if I don't meet CFD wellness, make them give you better electro boost, wey go make you perform your better duties as a man. But everybody in Weruche, you cannot meet them. Every time he mix you conjunction, he meets his here before you know it anymore. 2 minutes, man.
You see the electro boost? I go buy 2.
Crazy guy. Orlu Papa, you know if you get sense again, no worry.
Man, you need to play ball.
I need to play on this game. I need to play which game I go play. I dey play Osi Pami.
Man, which one be Osi Pami?
Osi Pami. Now where you go put ball for your leg? You go beat the person until you go touch that wall.
I am gonna play now, ain't nice.
No cry, yo. No cry, yo. I am up to start now. Give me.
Hey!
know myself. No cry, yo.
Listen, man, I won't kind crazy guy. I don't know.
Jesus! Body go tell you.
Hello. So una game man, una one pitch me. Una touch me now, if una game man. Pitch me now, if una game man.
Hey, Jesus!
Somebody come to my aid, man.
Oh, man, this guy out of dream,
Babe, I had a bad dream. In my dream, you were chasing me with 2x2 plan just because I cheated on you.
It's just a dream, okay? Calm down, it's just a dream. Okay. But babe, who is Lagata? I said, who is Lagata?
Go back to the dream. You follow enter the dream. I know where I swear.
No. You're all welcome. Sure of it, uncle?
Yes, I'm cooking.
Will you go break it down? He's burning. What's rubbish? No.
This man.
As you all know, over the years, up till now, there's only one brand that is the most reliable platform that predict accurate sports bet. And it is for free. And that is
KDSB.
And that is
KDSB. For village meeting, they advertise
from
bet.
us to our children. Let them just click the link on my bio comment section to join. Mazi, how are you? Meaning what? How can it be only one brand that will be predicting accurate sports bet in this community? Let's give room to other brands. Hey, Wita. Lawa.
Father, please.
Mazi, go.
Father.
I'm only suggesting you. I was only suggesting
Just like that.
Mommy, please try and be fine. Heather, say more, please say what you can do. Heather, do something. Heather.
This Funnybros, you don't get shit.
The king is critically ill. But there is one solution. The princess must go and pray to the gods. Not. She must be a virgin. Hey! Abomination! The princess is pregnant!
Father, please, I can explain, Father, please.
Who give them belly?
Who is responsible?
Father, please, I can explain. Oh my God.
Pew.
Hey! What is that?
I've been dating him for 2 months now.
Hey! Wow!
My game don't enter.
Oh!
Thank you, KGSB.
There you go. Well, I don't guess it. Person I want to. Which kind of nonsense people?
We've been dating for more than 6 months, eh? When are we going to knock?
Okay, General. I'm home. Come over. Let's do it today.
Alright, I'm coming.
Yes! Yeah!
My brother, I beg. Do your best. Make sure say you peep and hear body. Give him a way.
Fortified.
It's about to go down.
Banana.
Knock and wave.
Jesus. Many of them when they look down on me. Shame to all of you.
You get to kind friends when you get you.
My brother put the heart.
Let's do all stand. Jump on.
for Susan.
Susan. She just lost her mom.
Thank you, God. At least my kid no caught. Active. It's alright.
What's wrong with you? Did you just tell you I lost someone and this is all you can think of?
See, let's just mourn. I even wear black, then I'll come join you mourn later. Okay, why?
Look at what you have called yourself.
Auntie, no verse. You know, sir, I just start my project. I just begin build my house. Now, why are they tie you here? I know what now. I'm going to build my house. You can't carry juju. They put inside my house. Money you can't finish in my hand. I can't complain. Say waiting they happen. So I beg you go there here for the next 6 months. When I finish my duplex, I release you. I don't want all this in a village taste for my house. Boys, so feed her, clothe her, give her anything she wants. Until you be fine, eh? Once I'm done, I'll release you. Eh?
You are done with my son.
Thank you.
This is good.
Thank you.
Stay away from evil, you know here. See your life now. Nah.
Boys, sir, tie him up.
Even me.
Uncle, I don't trust you now. You and Auntie go there. When they finish my project, I'll release you.
What's up with party now?
No worry, we'll see the party, but you go still there here. 2 of them are the same thing. Birds of the same feather, flock together. So make 2 of them there here together. When I finish my duplex, I release the 2 of them. I don't want any to do for my project. I don't want triumph. I'm not taking chances. Uncle,
No.
thank you. I'm there with you.
Mazi.
Oh! Keep shouting. Here you go.
Leave him out. This guy's nowhere.
Where are you coming from, for Christ's sake? Do you know how long I've been calling you? Are you mad or something?
Madam, please look at my physiognomy and physiog. You can deduce that this is an apologic and a lollapalooza. You don't verbose nauseous and virulent words to me. Do you know the peregrination and globe-trotting that I had to galvanize to get to this place?
don't know.
This place is like a labyrinth and a maze. Do you know how hard this is to get here?
Please, I don't even have time for this your rubbish. For how long I've been waiting here? 3 hours. I've already sent your money to your delivery company.
Okay.
This is mint. Please, I beg you in the name of God. They're about to use it for a party right now. They are waiting for you. I don't want to hear stories. You're going there straight. Did I make myself clear? You are going there straight. I'm going to call you. Please do not disappoint me. Go there straight. Thank you very much.
Person will go carry money come out.
Ogbonge grammar, who be the baba? Barista title, child, educational
If I hear say you go give them.
I get tired too quiet.
Only barista title. When you speak, you go lawyer. Use English, marry Gloria.
Baba, they go now.
A creative mind is a fertile land for growth. You go lawyer, charge a pay, and still lawyer. I did not my head, but I know
Hello. Wow, such a glamorous, drop-dead, gorgeous, and glossy enamorado. See, you look, you look like Cinderella.
Thank you.
Okay. Let me start by giving you my epithet and my rubrics. My name is Professor Baisa Titus, an academic juggernaut, and I'm in charge of all the real estates in this local. I actually came to check on one of the properties I just purchased around this local before I envisage this beautiful and gorgeous statue. I said, no, let me come and confabulate with you. Okay. Don't mind the cash I'm carrying. You know, we big men, that's how we are. Thief. Just, and this is real cash. I want to squander everything on you.
Are you not the owner of the ride over there?
I'm robber. Me? This, what am I doing with the bike now? No, now. As a head honcho and academic, what am I doing with it? No. It's not my bike. It's not my bike.
Are you sure that's not your bike?
But actually, my driver, I came with my driver. He went to get some PMS. That is premium motor spirit. Put in simple words, fuel. So if it's done, he will galvanize back. So I want to use this money and squander it on you. You get it now. In fact, this money, hold it. It's real. It's real. It's not my bike. What am I doing? No, it's not my bike. Oh. It's not. What am I doing with a bike? It's all right. You like it, Abby?
I love it.
It's okay. And so, can we go out tonight?
I would have loved to, but I'm married.
You're married, and I've been wasting my time. Let me go and deliver my.
Jesus. It is a pity for you.
Wait, I parked this bike here. Did you see? The bike is gone. Okay. The money is gone.
You be mumu
for you.
Gaga to one gaga.
You don't get sense.
I got the advice from a madman.
No mad. If person the vest, you will be cook. Which kind of man will be now? You don't have normal, don't worry. You are really abnormal.
Good morning, ma.
How are you?
I'm very well.
Who are you looking for?
I'm the lesson teacher I requested for online.
Lesson teacher.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
This your sugar.
He had to pay for anybody.
Don't look at it though. Actually check down from your bus stop.
Hey.
Check down.
So you did not see bike or maru or anything to bring. You have to check.
Yes.
You never think about making good impression.
I
wonder. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
What's your other name again? Tunde, abi?
Tunde, yes.
And the place I order you look good though.
That one is Photoshop. It's Photoshop.
Anyways, you want to start now, abi?
Yeah, I want to start.
You want to start now? Oh yeah, show me your CV now. Let me tell you bring it.
Yes. I bought my CV. Why not? I bought my CV. No, sorry. Don't look at this guy. No. This is No, you're surprised. They actually the stuff I use for my YouTube content. Yes, it is coming up on the 12th of December on my YouTube channel. Tunde Eko.
Okay.
Yes, on YouTube. So that's his video. Don't worry.
Right.
It's just my character.
No.
I know this is Lagos.
You know, just hold it. Hold on. Just hold on. Pack it. Put it inside your bag. Put it back.
Yeah. No, I have to bring out my CV.
Carry it! Carry it and put it back. Don't let me shout. Don't see me. Good.
Yeah.
So before you start this t-shirt job, you are doing abattoir? No? Because why did you bring out this one? If you are not doing abattoir work, why did you bring out Kada and Ake and everything? Are you a farmer?
No, I'm not a farmer.
So which one are you doing?
Yeah, you know, this is Lagos. I usually use it to guide.
To guide?
Yes.
So you are carrying it, you are coming to look for a job, you want to guide him out. You use the machete to machete my daughter.
No, when I'm coming, I'll drop it aside.
You drop it aside?
Yes.
Oh yeah, as you are dropping it outside like that, you drop yourself to outside. Yeah! Please go. I don't need your services.
This guy no get sense.
What do you mean? What do I mean? I say you should go. I don't need your services again.
You don't need my service again, and you order me online. I came out the way from my parents. That's lucky. You're telling me you don't need my service again, madam. Imagine cram on you.
Hello, Paroma. Where are you shouting at?
Madam, you are the cause of it now.
What's my business with the journey? What is my business with the journey? I said you should leave my house.
Madam, please don't tell me that, please. Get out from your house. Now, you know how much is my transport?
How much is the transport?
Please, my transport is 5K.
5K the transportation.
Yes.
No wahala. You want to collect transport?
I'll collect my transport too.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
No wahala.
Hey. Very research.
Get out of here. That's only run.
He slap him. Like seriously.
Don't kada Danny.
You really slap him.
System movement job.
Which guy?
This is
teacher go dey come. Instead of bringing with your CV, they bring machete, hammer, bottle, they comot am from inside your pocket. Which kind nonsense teacher be that one? There you go, not the person no go see. Anyways, thanks for watching to the very end. What's your favorite part of the video? They're all so funny though. They're so funny. Funnybros, I think. But Funnybros, I won't understand. What to concern your kingship with KSZ bet? See, I think there is a, when you look at that that, what do they call it, that skit from another perspective, you find out that what he meant is that you go play bet till you go buy. I think that's what it meant, because what's it concern being a king and telling your village people to be playing bet? I don't understand. It was funny, but no correlation at all. I don't even see anything that correlates. Then for me, I think the funniest one was Orlu Papa. Yeah, Orlu Papa. I think his was very, very funny. Very, very funny. But that's me though. What's your own part of the video? What's the part you love most? Drop it right in the comment section, and I'll try as much as possible to give you a reply. Check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel, and if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, I beg, do that. Subscribe. It's very easy to do. Just pium and subscribe. Check out my other channel, guys. Check out my other channel. It's right down in the comment section. You see it. Click on it and subscribe to my second channel. See you in the next one, guys. Peace out.